So this is the 2024 Road King Special with a stage 3, huh?
Right now.
I have a Kawasaki sport bike.
Okay.
So, you know, like a crotch rocket.
Yeah, exactly.
But
you ridden Harleys at all?
I have. I've done quite a few here.
Okay.
So.
Well, you know the demo route then.
I do.
You'll
yeah.
like this bike if you want. It's my favorite bike out here. It's kind of old school, but it's got a really great engine in it. So,
yeah.
Jump on.
I'm excited.
Kings are still kind of the same way they've always been. They got this big key to turn it on.
Okay. Beautiful. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. Oh, this thing is comfy and smooth. Dang. I like the way this thing feels. So, we're at Daytona Bike Week doing the we're doing the demo rides, and it's weird because some of the bikes are 2024s and some are 25. So, but this is a 2024. I thought it was going to be a 25, but I'm sure they're the same. This one has the Stage 3 Screaming Eagle kit. The seat is so comfortable. Holy shit, it's like on another level comfortable. And when you let off, it has a nice tone to it, like a bit of a backfire. So, but we're gonna get on it here and see what she does. Just gonna make sure I don't get hit. Holy shit. Dang, son, this thing breathes. Oh my god. Holy shit. Feels like it wants to wheelie. Dude, this bike is so comfortable. The clutch, the clutch feels really nice. Like, has a really nice, just firm but smooth pull to it. So, let's cycle through the cycle button. Where is the cycle button? Huh. I'm not sure. Oh, up here. There's the cycle button. TP, so it has TPMS, so 3,100 miles. This is definitely a bike that's seen a lot of demos for sure. You have the time which you can set, gear, RPM. Okay, front tire, rear tire. That's cool. I like the TPMS. Okay, so we're gonna leave it on the RPMs. Oh man, this thing is sweet. So you have your traction control, rain, oh my god, I love this thing. The only thing I don't like is when the RPMs, when you don't have an actual gauge, you know what I mean? Holy shit. This thing hits. We've got 20 minutes. Need to stay on track. The shifting is very nice on this thing, man. Like, what the heck? It's crazy how smooth it shifts. see those babes over there with their quads? Okay, full stop. Oh, RS6. That is a badass car. I am telling you right now, that car is sick. Oh man, this bike is so sweet. Just got to be careful not to go too low in the corners or you'll scrape your foot pedal. So, you know, classic Road King, simple, you know, not much to them, just pure bike. But yeah, Daytona, man, Daytona is awesome. I love being here. It's a motorhead's paradise. See if we can get some drag racing in here. I saw the street glide behind me try to catch me. Dude, I missed so many gears then. Like 10. Oh man, this is so much fun. Holy shit! Dang, son! This thing fucking flies! Oh my god! he's on me, that guy. That's so funny. Holy shit! This thing gets, son! Oh my god! Holy shit! Alright, let's see how she does in the corners. Oh my god, this bike rips! Oh. Holy shit, dude. I love this bike. Oh my god, it's a fucking ripper, dude. Holy shit. With this stage 3, dude, this thing is just... Oh, I just had too much fun. I didn't even talk the whole time. Milwaukee-Eight 114 engine with blacked out finishes and trim throughout. Ventilator air cleaner, low profile engine guard, daymaker LED headlamp, and gloss black Prodigy wheels. This thing is beautiful. Starting at $24,999 all the way up to $25,699. This has its stage 3 big bore cylinders and pistons. Dude, oh my god, this bike is so much fun. It just wants to go. Like, this bike, oh fuck. Come on, brother. Guys, do not sleep on this bike. Do not. This thing is a... Oh, I love it. They're gonna be like, wait, you just left like 5 minutes ago and the route's like 20 minutes. How'd you get back so quick? Oh my god. Holy shit. I highly recommend this bike. Now, you know, I don't know what it's like without the upgrades, but dude, with the upgrades, oh man, it's so worth it. This bike is so fun. And this is perfect because it has the saddlebags. You can put your stuff in it. You could put a phone holder or whatever, little windshield, or keep it, you know what I'm saying? There's definitely options to you know, customize this thing, so that's great. Good, thank you. Oh, it was amazing. I loved it.
I'm gonna check your gas real quick, make sure you're good. Oh, you all set? Appreciate you. Thanks for being here.
All right, thank you. Oh my God. Now I see why it's your favorite bike.
Yes, I wasn't lying, was I?
Out of all the ones I've rode here, which is quite a few, this is like top 2 for sure. I maybe even top 1 for, or the one I like the most.
I love it. I like it with a windshield. We have a regular Road King here with a windshield.
Yeah, that would,
some kind of windshield on it.
that would be better for sure.
It's so fun.
Oh my
It
God.
handles good. It's comfortable.
It's, that seat is top tier comfortable, like probably the most comfortable seat out of any of these that I've rid so far.
I agree.
So, but thank you. All right, have a good one.
Thank you so much.
All right. All right, thank you.
All right.
Wow. I highly recommend this bike. That was amazing. Like, I can't get over it. How awesome. Guys, you need to go check this bike out. It is just, that was so much fun. But yeah, this is the Harley tent. I'll extend this video just a little bit just so you guys can see everything. But yeah, this is the Harley tent. This is where all the magic happened. I'm gonna come back and do a couple other bikes, but man, test riding these Harleys, oh, it's so much fun. So, but yeah, I'm gonna end this video here, guys. If you liked my video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Have a ton of test rides coming out. My problem is just the editing part. Takes me a while, but I eventually get them all out. But thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one. Peace.